Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to learn how to trade or test strategies risk-free, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to open a demo account with FXCM Broker. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the FXCM website. First, open your browser and go to www.fxcm.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Try Demo button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to start the process. Step 2. Fill out the registration form. You'll see a straightforward form. Here's what you need to do. Email. Enter a valid email address. Make sure it's one you check often, because FXCM will send your account details there. Country. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Phone number. Enter your phone number for verification purposes. After filling out these details, click the Submit button to proceed. Step 3. Check your email. Once you've completed the form, head over to your email inbox. You'll receive an email from FXCM titled, "Congrats! Try your free practice trading account." This email will include your login credentials and a direct link to access the trading platform. Step 4. Launch the platform. In the email, you'll notice a Launch Platform button. Click on it to access the FXCM trading station. You don't need to download any software if you prefer to trade on your browser. However, if you'd like a desktop experience, you can download the platform from the FXCM website. Step 5. Log in to your demo account. Once the platform is open, use the login details provided in the email to access your demo account. Select Demo as the account type when prompted. You're now ready to start exploring the markets and practicing your trading skills with virtual funds. Conclusion. That's it. Setting up a demo account with FXCM is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and happy trading. See you in the next video.